Yeah, this is Becko, and we're shining a spotlight into so many great small businesses right across Sydney. If you want us to come out to your workplace, you can just go to triplem.com.au or park the Triple M Rock Patrol at the front. Have a lot of fun for an entire hour. And today we're heading to Cromer. Coldbuster Floor Heating. Hello, guys! We've got a huge team here right now. We've got Rick, how's it going?
Things are going great. Thanks for asking. Yeah, we're very busy here despite the difficult times. It seems everyone wants floor heating, regardless.
Doesn't matter what floor you've got, so it could be concrete or it could be carpet or tiles or whatever. You put it under the slab and it keeps it warm.
Absolutely. We do just about under every floor surface: tiles, timbers, vinyls, laminates, carpet, in the screed, in the slab.
And you have a humongous team. Like, you've got Nicole, you've got Ben, Cliff, Diego, Krish, Joe, and there's even more people in the warehouse.
And Yoni. Don't forget Yoni.
And don't forget Yoni. It's a big team.
And that's just the guys in the office. We also have a team of installers.
And we'll give a shout out to them a bit later on as well. It's coldbuster.com.au, Coldbuster Floor Heating in Cromer. Rick, you guys have been around for a while?
We've been around over 20 years, providing great floor heating solutions for all of Sydney.
Now, was it an accident that it happened, or did you just go, this is what we've got to do?
It wasn't an accident that it happened. I was actually looking for a great business to buy with enormous potential, and this ticked every box for me because there is enormous potential with floor heating.
And the thing is too, I'm assuming it's not seasonal, so it's whenever you're doing your build, you just chuck it under the floor.
Absolutely. Don't think of it just when it's cold. You got to think of it before your floor is down.
We've got Rick, Nicole, Ben, Yoni, Cliff, Diego, Krish, and Joe. It is Coldbuster Floor Heating in Cromer. They are a success story. You can check them out online at coldbuster.com.au. We've got Rick and the team, and Rick, let's go through your team because you've got a lot of people on the floor there.
So helping me out here, we've got Nicole, who is general manager and does the bookkeeping, and Ben is the installation manager. We've got Cliff, who product development and scheduling and top-notch quoting for Yoni and Diego. Krish does marketing, and Joe, he handles everything at the front desk. Make sure we're all behaving.
It is one huge team, and you can check them out online, coldbuster.com.au, if you're about to lay some flooring down. Good time to do it. And Rick, so this is something you got to do if you got a new house build or if you're doing a reno. Chuck some floor heating in there, of course.
Coldbuster Floor Heating is a no-brainer. If you're doing floors and you're going to be paying for some type of heating anyway, you must at least consider floor heating. That means get from us a totally free quote and heat plan so you can consider it before your floor's down. Afterwards, it's too late and you'll regret it.
Well, go and check them out, coldbuster.com.au. It's so good to meet the team. It's a massive team there in Cromer. Rick, you have a good one. We'll talk to you soon, okay?
Thank you so much. All the best.